takeoff. Emirates 87 correct, apron hello, pushback, startup approved. Pushback and start is approved, Emirates 87 Quebec, thank you. From Emirates 87 Quebec, Super request taxi. Emirates 87 correct, taxi via Echo to holding point Echo Zulu. Echo to Echo Zulu, Emirates 87 Quebec. Emirates, +1 Bravo, what is it? 494 Bravo, apron clear for taxi via Juliet Road, short runway 28. Juliet Road, +1 Bravo. 494 Bravo, contact tower 118 decimal 1 other. 1 other, Alex, +1 Bravo. Emirates 87 Quebec, standby tower 118 decimal 1 Quebec. 118 decimal 1 Emirates 87 Quebec, good day. Emirates 87 Quebec, Zurich Tower, hello, we expect your departure in 4 to 5 minutes. Will you be ready by then? Yeah, we should be ready depending on the cabin, but I think we'll be ready. Emirates 87 Quebec. Emirates 87 Quebec, roger, taxi forward to holding point Echo 2. Holding point Echo 2, Emirates 87 Quebec. Zurich 7 Victor Zulu, wind 050 degrees 2 knots, runway 14, clear to land. Clear to land, runway 04 Zurich. Clear to land, runway 14 Zurich, 7 Victor Zulu. Emirates 87 Quebec via Echo 2, line up runway 16 and report ready for departure. Okay, line up 16 via Echo 2 and call you ready, Emirates 87. Emirates 87 Quebec, just for information, if you're not ready within the next minute, expect your departure in around 10 minutes due to inbound traffic. Roger, let me check. Emirates 87 Quebec, fully ready. Emirates 87 Quebec, correction, wind 350 degrees 3 knots, runway 16 cleared for takeoff. 16 cleared for takeoff. Departure around 3 minutes due to wind and Understood. Hello, Standard Golf Whiskey, Steppage 14. Standard Golf Whiskey, Tower hello, wind 350 degrees 4 knots, runway 14, clear to land. Runway 14, clear to land, Standard Golf Whiskey. Standard Golf Whiskey, any chance for Hotel 2? Standard Golf Whiskey, Hotel 2 approved. Standard Golf Whiskey, merci. Emirates 87 Quebec, contact departure, goodbye. Contact departure, good day, Emirates 87 Quebec. Departure around 3 minutes due to wind and Understood.